What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at this awesome mechanical keyboard here from ROYALAXE. This is their R100, so let's go ahead and take a look. Let's first talk about the size of this keyboard and of course the awesome colorway that we have here. So as far as the size goes, this is a 96% keyboard that does have 98 keys. You are going to get your full number pad, you're going to get your arrow keys, and you are going to go ahead and get a full function row. So you're not really missing any real functionality with this keyboard. And the thing that I really like about it is that everything is kind of all together. So you don't have this massive keyboard sitting on your desk either, which I definitely like. Now, as far as the colorway, you can see this awesome cream and brown colorway that we have here. It just looks absolutely amazing. It definitely gives me those retro vibes for sure. There are other colorways available, but I think this one is definitely my favorite. Now, as far as what comes with the keyboard, you are going to get a very nice braided USB cable that is going to match the keyboard, a keycap and switch puller because this is a hot swappable keyboard, and 4 extra switches. The keycaps themselves are in an MDA profile, which is actually really comfortable for not only typing but gaming as well. And these are double shot PBT keycaps. The switches on this keyboard are Gateron G Blue switches, which are a clicky switch. Now remember, this is a hot swappable keyboard, so you can easily swap these out down the line. In the top right corner of the keyboard, you will find this gold knob. This is actually going to switch between your different modes. So we can go ahead and switch it to wired mode right here. We can go to 2.4 gigahertz mode, and then we can go to Bluetooth mode. Really easy to switch everything. And the cool thing about this is, one, the 2.4 gigahertz mode will come with a USB dongle, and there's a place to hold the dongle in the keyboard so you never lose it. Bluetooth mode means that we can use this with something, you know, like a tablet, or you can easily connect it to other devices, which is awesome. We also have a little switch here to switch between Windows and a Mac mode. So depending on what you're using, you just switch that and it switches the keyboard layout. We also have some LEDs. So like our caps lock is right there and our number lock is right there as well. So some nice activity LEDs there. We do get full RGB backlighting on this keyboard. As you can see, it does look quite awesome. And you can easily switch between the different effects. So you just hit function and then print screen, and I can quickly go through the different effects. I think there's like 15 or 16. There's quite a lot. Really easy to, go through these. There's also software for this, so you can not only fully reprogram the keyboard, but of course set that RGB lighting to whatever you want as well. Now here's what it sounds like to type on this keyboard. So if you are looking for a really cool and unique mechanical keyboard, this is one that I would definitely recommend.